What if you could expand your business and grow your brand across California without a huge capital investment? Imagine offering low-cost franchise opportunities that are accessible to aspiring entrepreneurs, giving you the chance to scale quickly while ensuring your brand's growth. If you're a business owner looking to franchise your business model, this video will show you how low-cost franchise offerings can be a game changer.
This video is brought to you by Agent CRM, the ultimate all-in-one software designed for agents and their teams. If you're looking to supercharge your business, Agent CRM has got you covered. From AI-powered schedule bot that helps you fill your calendar effortlessly to comprehensive marketing tools like unlimited funnels, email marketing, and ringless voicemail. Agent CRM is packed with features to streamline operations. With Agent CRM, you get access to powerful automated workflows, preloaded marketing campaigns, and world-class support. Plus, you can start with a free 14-day trial, no sign-up fee, and zero cost to get started. Join over 10,000 satisfied users who have transformed their business with Agent CRM. Head over to the link below or scan the QR code to start your free trial today and take your business to the next level.
Hey there, my name is Dan Nguyen, and I'm here to help you navigate the legal side of your business as your trusted business attorney in California. Today, I'm speaking directly to franchisors or business owners thinking about expanding into franchising. Offering low-cost franchise opportunities could be your key to scaling fast while tapping into a market of eager, budget-conscious entrepreneurs. If you're a franchisor or aspiring to be one, stick around because this video is for you. So why do low-cost franchisors work? Low-cost franchise models can be incredibly attractive to entrepreneurs who may not have six-figure investment but are hungry to succeed. For franchisors, this means you can tap into a larger pool of potential franchisees, lowering the barrier to entry and grow your business footprint faster. Now, by offering a more affordable buy-in, you open doors for more candidates, which can lead to rapid expansion without heavy initial investment on your part. Examples of low-cost franchise models to consider. So let's look at some types of businesses that are ideal for low-cost franchising. Cleaning and maintenance services. If you operate a business like janitorial services, offering a franchise under $10,000 can appeal to individuals who want to be their own boss with minimal startup costs. Brands like JanPro have thrived by keeping costs low for franchisees while ensuring high demand for services. Vending machines or mobile businesses. Franchising mobile services like vending machines or mobile oil change businesses allows you to expand your brand without requiring franchisees to invest into brick and mortar locations. For example, Healthy You Vending has successfully scaled by focusing on health-conscious products, something that resonates particularly well in California. Education or tutoring services. If you run a tutoring or education-based business, franchising can be an excellent way to grow. With the relatively low startup costs for franchisees and the ongoing demand for education in California, you can expand quickly by offering low-cost education-based franchises like Kumon or Tutor Doctor. Legal considerations and brand protection for franchisor. As a franchisor, complying with legal obligation is critical. The franchise disclosure document outlines your financials and legal requirements for franchisees, while the California franchise investment law requires registering with the state before offering a franchise. Non-compliance can result in penalties and risk your entire system. Now, protect your brand. Consult a franchise attorney to ensure all documents are in order. Set clear agreements, maintain consistency across franchises, and provide strong support systems to help franchisees succeed while safeguarding your investment. So if you're a business owner looking to scale through low-cost franchising, there's never been a better time. California is an excellent market for expansion, and with the right legal strategy, you can grow your brand quickly and effectively. Thanks for tuning in into Legal Tips for Smart Entrepreneurs. Now, if you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. Leave your questions and comments below. I'm always here to help you navigate the legal landscape with ease. Until next time, stay informed and stay empowered.